Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ray. Today, I'm gonna show you one of the most convenient features of the BPI mobile app. Kung paano mag-deposit ng check online. Yes, you can already deposit a check without going to the bank. And totally free ito. Walang service charge. Important thing to note though, as of ngayon, this feature is only available for BPI Preferred, BPI Gold, and BPI Private Wealth clients only. If you are one of these clients, makikita nyo on your mobile app. If not, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Pero kung wala pa din, just contact BPI Customer Support. 24/7 pwede mag-deposit ng check, but BPI only processes it within banking days. Cut-off is 3 p.m. So if later than 3 p.m. kayo nag-deposit, it will be processed the next banking day. And your checks will take up to 2 banking days to clear. Once you log in on the app, go to More. Then under Transactions, check Deposit. Click Deposit a check. Deposit to, select the account where you want to deposit your check. Input the exact amount, the check date, so kung kailan in-issue yung check, and optional yung notes. Click Confirm. Take note that checks that are allowed for online deposit are BPI checks, other banks' checks, and managers' checks from local banks only. Required details on the front of a check, dapat lagyan nyo ng BPI followed by a slash and the recipient's BPI account number. So place this exactly between account name and the payee line on the check, tulad nito. And then sa likod ng check, place the date of the check and your signature. Make sure that there are no erasures, because if meron, mare-reject ito. Check processing is 1 to 2 banking days, and deposits made after 3 p.m., weekends, and holidays will be processed on the next banking day. Click Continue. Now that you've done that, take a picture of the front of the check. Make sure na ang ginamit nyo na pen while writing on the check is clear and hindi masyadong light because posibleng hindi mababasa yung check. Confirm and continue. Now, take a photo of the back of the check. Once done, double-check lahat ng details from your check. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Confirm. To check the status, go to More and then check Deposit. You'll see here the check status overview and for clearing siya. Since after cutoff ako nag-submit, nag-reflect na siya sa account ko the next day. Here are other important things that you need to know. The name of the check should be the same as the BPI account holder. The amount should be in Philippine peso and is less than 500,000 pesos because yun lang yung limit on depositing checks online. The check shouldn't be dated sometime in the future. So hindi pwede ang post-dated checks. You can deposit checks on the day or from previous days. Basta hindi lalagpas ng more than 6 months ago. Don't use a pen that's too light. On my case, I tried several times para ma-upload yung check. Lagi siyang nare-reject because hindi clear or hindi masyadong nababasa yung details on the check. Keep the check with you for at least 12 months just in case of verification. Again, make sure that the check is from a Philippine bank. Hindi pwede ang international banks. And that's it. It's super easy, mas convenient, and mas efficient. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!